Hi everyone, Kedu Kaime. You are welcome to today's class. In our previous lesson, we talked about the alphabets of the Igbo language, and I told you that the alphabets are 36 in number, but they were also categorized into consonants and vowels. So if you find that topic interesting, please go back to our previous lesson so you will learn about the consonants. Remember, when you learn about the alphabets of Igbo language, it will help you to understand our topic for today. So today we are going to look into the topic called Mgbochi Ume Igbo. Mgbochi Ume Igbo. Mgbochi Ume Igbo. That is the consonants of Igbo language, the consonant sounds of Igbo language. What is a consonant? Consonants are those letters or alphabets that when you produce them, there is always an obstruction of air at the vocal tract. Once you are producing a consonant sound, there must be an obstruction of air. In Igbo, you will say, mgbochi ume bụ mkpụrụ edemede ahụ nke ọ ga-abụ mgbe ị na-akpọpụta ha a na-enwe mgbochi na ọwa ikuku. So today I'm going to show you those alphabets the Igbo refer to as their consonant alphabets, their consonant sounds. The Igbos have 28 consonants. You will say ndị Igbo nwere mgbochi ume dị 28. 28 means 28. 28 means 28 in Igbo language. So these consonants were categorized into the digraphs and single consonants. The digraphs are called Mgbochi Ume Mkpe. The digraphs are called Mgbochi Ume Mkpe. Digraphs are letters that are two letters combined together to produce one sound. Igbos have their own digraphs too, and they are categorized under the consonants of Igbo language. So the digraphs are 9 in number. They are 9 in number, and we call the digraphs Mgbochi Ume Mkpe. Mgbochi Ume Mkpe. In Igbo, once you hear Mkpe, just know that we are talking about plural or something double. You can say Ake Agbara Mkpe. That is, this pan canal is doubled. When you open it, you find out that we have 2 seats inside, or more, 2 or more seats inside the pan canal. So that's why we say Ake Agbara Mkpe. In Igbo too, in the consonants aspect of it, you will find out that those letters, those alphabets that are combined, we call them Mgbochi Ume Mkpe. So we also have Mgbochi Ume Nge. That is another category of the alphabet, the consonants of Igbo language. We have Mgbochi Ume Nge. Mgbochi Ume Nge are those ones, those letters that are one, they are singular. When you look at them, you see that they are just one letters, but the digraphs are combined, 2 letters combined to produce one sound. Now let's go to the board so we'll see those letters we call the digraphs and the single consonants. Let's go. This is B, Chi, D. Fi. You can repeat after me. B, Chi, D. Fi, G, We, Re, Gui, Hi, Je, Ki, I, Kwi, Li, Mi, Ni, Nge, Nwi, Nyi, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, Vi, Wi, Ye, Ze. These are the consonants of Igbo language. When you look at the board, you will find out that there are some letters inside the box and the ones outside the box. The ones inside the box are Mgbochi Ume Mkpe. They are the digraphs. Because when you look at this, let's take chi, for instance, you will see that we have letter C and letter H combined together to produce the sound chi in Igbo language. The same thing applicable to we and the rest of them. So when you count them, you will see that, okay, let's count them. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, iteyete. Iteyete, that is 9. Iteyete means 9. So the diagraphs are 9 in number. You say mgbochi umemkpedi iteyete. Mgbochi umemkpedi iteyete n'ọnụ ọgụgụ. That is, the diagraphs are 9 in number. Then let's go and see the ones outside the box. That is mgbochi ume nge. When you count them, otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, iteyete, iri, iri na otu, iri na abo, iri na ato, iri na ano, iri na ise, iri na isi, iri na isa, iri na asato, iri na iteyete, iri na iteyete. That is 19. Once you hear iri na iteyete, you will know that we are talking about 19. That is, the mgbochi ume nge Igbo are 19 in number. Remember, I said mgbochi ume nge is the single consonants, while the mgbochi ume mkpi are the diagraphs. So this is where we draw the curtain for today's lesson. But before I end the lesson, I would like to summarize what I've taught you. Earlier, I gave you the definition of the consonants, right? Mgbochi ume bụ mkpụrụ edemede ndị ahụ mgbe ọ na-abụ ị na-akpọpụta ha a na-enwe mgbochi na ọwa ikuku. That is, they are those letters, the consonant sounds are those letters that when you produce them, there is always an obstruction of air at the vocal tract. So I made mention of the categories of the consonant sounds, and I said that we have the single consonants and the diagraphs. I told you that the diagraphs are those sounds that are doubled. When you look at them, two letters combined together to produce one sound, while the single consonants are the single ones. So I believe you've learned something from today's lesson. This is where I'll end my lesson for today. Please stay safe and do not fight. Bye.